Talent, yes. Okay, yes. Okay, that's easy.
Great.
So,
All right, ladies
what
and
is
gentlemen.
your greatest talent is the question. Okay, how many of you can sing?
How many of you can sing?
Okay,
Oh,
we've got
there.
one person here. Okay. One man with A1 banyan, then one shirt, then one jacket, then one jeans. Okay, huh. What's up, bro? How you doing? Okay, what's your name?
Shiva Sharan.
Mr. Shiva Sharan. Shiva, can you sing for us? Can you sing 2 lines for us?
2 lines, bro. Just 2 lines, not more than that. These singers usually go on. They'll sing like one para, then the second para, then the third para, then they'll make one up, then the fourth para. Yeah.
Actually, I raised my hand thinking that everyone will raise with me. Okay, anyway, got up.
Ladies and gentlemen, he has the rare distinction of just putting his hand up for some funny reason. Now you have to sing 2 lines, bro. 2 lines.
Okay. నేను నువ్వంటూ వేరై ఉన్నా నాకీ వేళ నీలో నేనున్నట్టుగా అనిపిస్తూ ఉందే వింతగా నా కోసం నేనే వెదికేంతగా
వా!
నువ్వే
శరణ్!
లేకుంటే
నువ్వు వాయిస్ చాలా బాగుంది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Really good voice, yeah. There's
Let's give a
Shri.
round of
Let's
applause,
give a
ladies and
huge round of
gentlemen. Come
applause
on.
for Shri. Shri
Good
not
job.
just put his hand up, he actually sang and sang beautifully, Shri. Well
Superb.
done.
Anybody
yeah.
else
Super.
who can sing? How about the people at the back?
Now you know what? We'll just find somebody and ask them to sing.
How about the people at the back? Sir, do you sing?
Wow, that was awesome.
We
Okay.
found our second singer.
We found our second singer. Nile nile
focus
ambar par
the camera on this man.
chand
There he is.
chand.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What's your name?
what is
What's
your
your
name?
name?
Imran.
Imran. Khali do laina. Gada.
Gadalo.
अच्छा अच्छा जरूर. This is one of my favorite actor, Salman Khan.
It had to be, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, what are the bets? He's going to sing a Himesh Reshamya song now.
No. From King. Hangover from King.
Huh.
जाने कब होंठों पे दिल ने रख दी दिल की बातें समझ नहीं ये दिल इसको हम तो रहे समझाते मैंने देखा तुझे भुला के हर एक तरकीब लगा के हर नुस्खे को आजमा के पर दिल से कभी न उतरे हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का हैंगओवर तेरी बातों का. That's it.
वाह
Wow.
क्या जबरदस्त गायना यजमान तुम्हें.
बहुत मस्त गाय नहीं?
We have another singer here. Please, sir, come here.
Sir, you'll have to come. Oh, come.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Jockey.
the SP Balasubramaniam of row number 7. What is your name, buddy? What is your name? Cyril. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Yesudas is in the house.
Just for the record, I am a Malayali.
With a name like Cyril, you can't be American. And I'm sure he has cousins called Bipin and Lijo.
I do.
Okay, come on, go for it.
Okay, this song's called I'm Yours.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, here is an English song for all of you.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you so hot that I melted.
Let's put our hands
I
together.
fell
Let's not be so
right
confused.
through the
Come on.
cracks. And I'm trying to get back. Before the cool don't run out, I'll be giving it my best. It's nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's against my will to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more. This is our fate. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is all fake. I'm yours. Thank you.
Cyril, that was beautiful. I should take Danish away. Let's give a huge cheer
Let's have a
to
big round of
all
applause for
these
Cyril, ladies and gentlemen.
people who sang so beautifully. Wow, that was amazing.
But of course, Kubrat, they had a competition at EMC,
Yes.
and they scouted the best talent. And one of those talents has been a part of EMC for 5 years. And just to let you know, how many of you are on your first year at EMC? How many of you all in your first year? That's a
Wow.
lot of new hires.
That's
What
a
happened
lot
to all
of
the
new
old
hires.
people?
Fantastic.
No, but listen, you guys need to know this. This gentleman backstage told us that he's been auditioning for 5 years to get onto this very stage. It just goes to show how important this stage is. Can we have one big round of applause, everybody? Come on.
Well, he has been trying every single year for the last 5 years. Ladies and gentlemen, he represents the GBS team. How many GBS members here? All right, so, well, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for us to welcome a man with a lot of pain in his heart, a lot of sorrow. Bloody jigar. Ladies and gentlemen, his name is Naushad from GBS. Please give it up for our first runner-up. He's here to entertain, enthrall, and give us a mind-blowing performance. Naushad Khan.
Check. Hello. Good evening, everybody. How are you feeling? Yeah. क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा भूलेगा दिल जिस दिन तुम्हें वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा दिल जिस दिन तुम्हें वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा क्या हुआ तेरा वादा याद है मुझको तूने कहा था तुमसे कभी रूठेंगे नहीं दिल की तरह से हाथ मिले हैं कैसे भला छूटे ये कभी तेरी बाहों में बीती हर शाम बेवफा ये भी तुझे याद नहीं क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा भूलेगा दिल जिस दिन तुम्हें वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा क्या हुआ तेरा वादा This song is dedicated to all the beautiful couples out here who are in love. Enjoy. तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी तू ही मेरा जुनून तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी तू ही रूह का सुकून, तू ही अखियों की धड़कन, तू ही दिल की है दस्तक। और कुछ ना जानूं मैं, बस इतना ही जानूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं। तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी, कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना। हर सांस पे नाम तेरा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी।
Naushad, what an unbelievable performance, my friend. Come, take a bow, get yourself a round of applause. Everybody put your hands together for Naushad. Naushad, before you go, कैसे लग रहा है 5 साल के बाद you finally come back on the stage? कैसे लग रहा है आपको आज?
It feels great. Sometimes you actually keep trying and you never make it, and it's always nice to believe in yourself and keep trying. So you will get there one day.
The last time I heard this was when I watched Spider-Man 2. Let's give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. What a fantastic man he is. Thank you, Naushad.
Thank you
I
EMC, thank you GBS.
The last time I heard this, I heard it in Happy New Year.
Those
सिर्फ
bad
दुनिया
movies my
में
sister watches. Acha, listen.
Hey,
So
how many people liked Happy New Year? Yeah, give me a cheer. What? Nobody liked it. Only I liked it.
Okay,
It's
fine,
fine.
it's
How many
okay.
of us like Shah Rukh Khan? Give me a cheer. See?
all right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on because Shah Rukh Khan is not going to be performing here. Let's come down to reality because we've got 2 people who are going to be performing, and believe you me, they are unbelievable.
Well, yes, they are. Well, how many of you believe that working and being a part of EMC is actually teamwork? Give me a cheer.
Again, the
ladies and
bosses. Look
gentlemen-
at the bosses again. No. They work. We just oversee things. That's all.
That's just mean, all right. No, but it's true, right? You need to rely on each other, depend on each other. Well, yes, as much as we work independently, most of our results are interdependent. And ladies and gentlemen, this next act that you are going to see on this very stage truly defines these traits of teamwork, of belief, and trust in each other. Well, the duo that we're going to invite on stage has been the first duo to introduce to the world of Indian entertainment the Acrozeal. Ladies and gentlemen, they have moves like you've never seen before. And yes, they are the finalists of India's Got Talent.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome on stage Divakar and Sonia.
Sonia.
Taaliyan ho jaye. Come on, let's put our hands together, everybody.
Yeah, come now.